Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am doing a plan with me, and I'm using these gorgeous stickers from Life with Mayra. I think that's how you say it, Myra. And there's a link for her in the description down below. And this is the PDF file that I used and turned these into stickers on my Cricut. Look at how cool this artwork is. There's a lot of pieces I didn't use, like the date covers, but it is a complete kit that is just gorgeous for the spring. And here are the actual stickers, which I just was able to put on one page, save sticker paper. So these are the stickers I'm going to use. If you want to see how it turns out, let's get started. Stick around. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, these are the stickers I'm going to be using. I'm currently working in the week of May 13th through the 19th, but of course these can be used anytime for any layout. And these are from Life with Myra, and I'll have a link for her below, so stick around, let's get started. We're going to play the music. We are going to have a cocktail or an iced tea or whatever it is that you're drinking right now. Get comfortable and plan along with me. All right guys, here comes the music. Okay guys, well I am all done. This is my before the pen. You'll see that was super quick, really fast and easy. I do have just 4 boxes left over that I will use throughout the week for appointments or whatever comes up. So I'll hold on to those in my planner, and that's it. I think it's gorgeous. It's simple, beautiful, and I am excited. I love it. What do you think? So let me know in the comments below if you are going to download these free printable stickers from Life with Myra and what you think of my layout and how I use these stickers. So I thank you so much for being here with me. I've missed you. I know it's been a while, but just wanted to show you my current layout, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, please always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.